So I'm wearing my Pop On Veneers right now, and I am so pleased with how easy it was to get them. I have never liked dental work, and this is the most painless and incredibly easy solution. I had some chipped teeth, which I don't even want to show you, but this has given me my smile back, and I'm telling you, I have nonstop smiles since I have gotten them. I just got the top, and I'm definitely going to get the bottom, and also a second replacement pair as well for both. I am totally obsessed with these. It's so easy to eat with them, and the talking got a little bit of time to get used to, but now I'm perfectly fine, and I cannot say thank you enough to Pop On Veneers. You guys are the best, customer service wise, product wise, and I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Bye.